or you want to buy the bag?
This is the bag.
You want to get the bag? What is this? What's that over there?
It's a bag.
So guys, help us buy bags. Oh, I can spot a Dyson. There's Dyson. Yeah, there.
No,
Look.
This is the bag.
Where is it?
Here.
There's no bags in this.
It is.
Where is it?
It comes
Where are you taking this?
in the car.
In the car? Which car?
That car.
This cart? You want to buy this? Okay guys, GB wants to buy this. No, we need to put it there. Over here. Over there.
Go finish.
Do you need help?
Yeah.
Yeah? I'll hold the trolley. I'll help you with this. Okay, now pick and push. I think it's too big.
No, you need to put it in there.
Should we put it in there?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Lift. Okay, lift. Let auntie help you. And ta-da! What do you have to say to auntie?
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
So GB is going to buy this. Let's have a look at the Dyson vacuum cleaner. If you want to change your mind, then we can buy Dyson.
No, Dyson.
Ta-da!
Dyson is not what I hate.
Oh my god, look at this, guys. Oh, it's stuck. We can't take this out.
Oh, listen. Listen.
Okay, now they've got this Dyson ball here, GB. GB, they've got Dyson ball here. This one?
They used to plug it on, but not anymore. We need to buy this anyway.
Oh my god, Samsung?
Yeah,
Wow.
We saw that on holidays.
Yes, this looks so cool.
And it's
Guys,
a beauty one.
it's power hygiene ditch dust for good. This looks so good.
And it can
I love it. Yeah, I love this. Yeah.
But I don't know
What
where
about this?
the dust goes.
They've got whole variety. Look at this one. Wow, this looks so good.
Yeah, this is really good.
Wow. What is this? Shark?
Have you?
Ah. GB, they've got pink, purple, pink. Which color is this? GB. GB, look at this. Oh, it's there. It looks so good.
Put it the wrong way. Oh, it goes. Does it? No, the block way.
Ah, this is my favorite. All time, mummy's favorite. Look at this, GB. Look. Oh, GB.
They're here!
Oh my God. No. I don't want you to buy it. I don't want you.
Yeah!
GB, no. It's not fair. It's not fair.
No!
How many bags are there? Okay, tell me, how many bags in there? How many bags are there? So this is
No, we
3.
need 2!
Oh no!
Get 2. Get 2. This is a pneumatic bag. We just got the wrong one. We got the full Andrew.
Okay, guys, GB wanted to buy bags, so now we're gonna buy the bags. This is it. Oh my God, you silly boy!
We need 3 this way over here. Finish with this needs 3. We don't even need
This is crazy. This is crazy.
So it's saying Henry. Wait, this is not.
Okay, now what do we have to do? We need to check the price first. Okay, this one is for 120 and this is for 38. For how many dust bags? 3 times 10.
This one's so cute. I want to get it. I was needing this for.
We've already got this at home. Oh my God.
No.
Look. Yeah? Is it?
No, it doesn't have the blow.
Okay. Look at this. How good is this? Look at this. This is so cool.
Hey guys, you can that yeah. So cool, man. We wanted this for how many years? need this for... Wait. What did that actually get? Got so light! Okay.
Is this a vacuum cleaner?
Yeah, look. Look, the guys who vacuum cleaner.
Oh, what's inside?
You see the clothes.
Oh, they're giving out 3 bags.
Should we get one? Okay. These have a pneumatic bag. Already. We don't need to buy this one. This one, right? It's actually very good. Let me just buy this. Guys, should we get the bigger one? This one's too heavy. Wait, is this box left? It's a good one in my head.
It's heavy. Where are you going, GB? GB?
The Hoover!
The Hoover. And what's the plan?
This is the really big Hoover.
Okay, guys, so the plan is I'm gonna think about this, GB, because you've got loads of Henry Hoovers, okay? And for this, I can agree only if you be...
No, some of these are broken.
Somebody broke it. Who broke it?
When I bought all of them, it was broken.
Okay, so I need to ring Dad, because guys, we're in shops, and if Daddy says yes, you can buy it, then we can buy it, yeah? Okay? Wait, yes? Okay, I'm going to make a call to Daddy, and let's see if he buys, tell us to buy or no. But definitely, we're going to buy the bags. Yes? Okay, let's go. Hi, Dad. You okay?
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine. Okay, so me and GB, we're at the shops, and GB liked one of the vacuum cleaners, which is of course Henry, and he wants to buy the big Henry, and he wants to buy the bags. So I'm asking you, I rang you, if GB is allowed to buy the vacuum cleaner and the bags. Sorry?
How much is it?
How much is the Hoover? GB, how much is the vacuum cleaner?
£3.
£3.
Not £2.
Okay, Dad, we're gonna find out. The vacuum cleaner is for 100 and basically £100, and with VAT is £119.98. Meanings it's for £120. And he wants to buy the bags also.
Just get the bags.
Just get the bags.
Yeah.
You know how much is the bags?
How much?
The bags are for £20.38, including VAT.
I don't want the bag anymore.
Just get the bags then.
Okay, Dad said just get the bags. Now, Dad, GB's getting sad
Why?
because he wants to buy the vacuum cleaner.
Tell him he's got a lot of vacuum cleaners at home.
Oh, now he's upset. Now he wants to buy all of them.
Not the all broken.
So what do I do, Dad? Tell me, please.
Just buy the bags.
Buy the bags. How many bags can we buy? 100 bags?
No, not that much.
GB wants to buy another vacuum cleaner now.
But it's broken.
And I've spotted, Dad, a shark robot.
We already have a robot.
Yeah, Dad said we already have a robot. Okay, Dad, you made a decision. We're going to go with your decision. Thank you so much for the advice. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, so GB, Dad said we need to buy the bag. Or Mummy can decide. We can keep the vacuum in there. Yes. And
Not the bag.
we can decide. Okay? Okay. No, I want the bag. Because we need the bag. At least we can take one pack.
I need the bag.
Are you sure?
No.
Okay, fine. Come on then. Let's go pay for it. Let's move the trolley and let's go pay for it, yeah? Happy, GB? GB, what are you doing?
Where?
So GB found the supermarket Hoover.
I don't know why is it being used.
They will use it once we go, when they close the door. So guys, we're home and
We
GB
found abandoned George.
abandoned George, yes. And now
But the
we've basically, so we didn't buy the Hoover, yeah. So we bought the bags.
I got this hoof from the
Now we're
garage.
gonna open it and show you guys how many are in there and what does
There's
it
so
look
much.
like. Yeah.
Let me show you.
Okay. Okay. GB is going to open it.
So then I'll open one right today.
Okay. Wait. This one.
No,
So there's,
no.
wait. Hold on. Okay. So there's 1, 2, 3. So let's open this.
So now,
Okay.
yeah,
So let's
I
take
used one today.
this out.
Let me help you.
Okay. That's it. And we're gonna put it in there. Okay, now we're gonna open this. And this is how it looks. And just look at this. Henry. This way up. And this is how it looks. Brand new bags. And we're gonna put it in there. Putting this in there. Yes.
So let's try the old Hoover now. I mean, not the old one, from the garage one.
Okay. So the filter
This
is
needs
very
a
bad.
good clean.
Nicely.
The dust doesn't come
Okay,
out.
I'm gonna quickly close this. Sit. And I'm gonna hide this so GB doesn't eat all the bags. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we need to put this there on the side. And let's see what happens. Now, what does GB do? Where's GB's plants?
You know, this thing is for the water. This one. Or you use it dry cleaning. You clip this back on. It can suck up water literally
Yeah.
for real life. Super cool. As everything.
Yeah? Okay. Now everything is done. So
No.
what do we have to do?
The clips. What was that sound? See, George. Okay, let's try it on. Let's try the old one on.
Okay, now we're gonna plug it. Let mommy help you with the plug.
No.
Okay. Let mommy help you. Yes, good boy. Let's find the plug. And yes, on. Show me from the bottom. Show me from the bottom. Is it clean? Oh, it's a new tool. Okay, what is this? Okay, now come on, do it. Let's do it again.
Wait. Wait.
So guys, this is it for today's vlog. GB bought a new bags which are there. And are you happy, GB? Yeah? You've got a whole set. Like, they've got like 30 bags there. Yeah?
And it can't even run out.
Yeah. So
Let me show you this.
GB's happy, Georgie's happy, and everybody's
No.
happy. Georgie's not happy?
No, look at this.
Why?
He's not happy.
Georgie's not happy. What happened with Georgie?
He broke.
Oh,
That's why the
who
business-
broke it? Who broke
The
it?
builders were using it.
Huh?
No, long time ago when I was born, they were using this Hoover.
Ah, it was a brand new and somebody was using it when GB Henry used it.
No, you know the red one, the old one, the builders were using it.
No, not this one.
Bye.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna go.
No, I
And
need to show you
GB's
some
done
more
with
stuff.
cleaning. And we'll see you in another vlog. Thanks for liking,
Wait,
sharing,
can I show
and
you how to close the
subscribing.
cable?
Yes, you can show us how. Let me
Plug it
unplug it
off.
first. Yeah. Okay. Mommy's gonna unplug it for GB Henry, and it's unplugged. And now GB's gonna show us how to do the wire. And we will see you guys in another vlog. So come on, GB,
Okay.
show us how to do the wire.
Wait.
if I struggle with the wires, if I use Henry or Daddy uses it, GB always helps us. Yes?
Yeah. You know this hook right here? Put the cable there.
Yeah.
So you don't put it like that, it'll fall. Says the hook. The last thing now is you put the hose tool in there.
Show me. Yeah.
Look at the storage at the back.
Wow, nice.
There's so much storage.
Yeah.
You know those red ones? They're not
Have this much storage, yeah. Because this is big, isn't it? And this is water. This is the cleaning one. This is the water one.
Yeah, but yeah. Wait, we match it like you. You match it like your rubber mover.
Yeah.
You want this too, but it can suck up.
Who's the goodest?
My one. That's why it can suck up water. Who's the goodest, Mommy?
Which one? The Hoover?
Yeah.
I think mine. My vacuum cleaner.
But no, it doesn't suck up water. Mine.
Yes. Yours is very good. Yes.
The both of us is good. Like and subscribe and make sure you don't like my video, just like it right now. And thanks for watching my video. And we'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Bye!
Bye. Bye-bye, everyone.
See you tomorrow in another video. Don't
Bye-bye.
forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.